Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Headspace and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Headspace. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to